KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, a little special one for you. I call it the Le Mac, and I'm also going to show you how to make the quickest, most authentic Big Mac sauce ever. Right, let's get on with it. 500 grams of really good beef mince, around about an 80-20 split, equally divided up into 6 little burger balls like that. You want these really nice and tight. Right, we're going to put those burger balls on a piece of greaseproof paper, another one on top, and we're simply just going to flatten these out as evenly as we possibly can. Right, don't need to go bananas. We're not making smash burgers here. We want a bit of texture to them, so we want them around about 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters thick. Try and just get them as round as you possibly can as well. Right, that one's done. We can set that aside. Now, the reason why I do this just makes it a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier when we're making these and cleaning up at the end. So by having them on the paper like that, all we can simply do is lay them all on top of one another. Right, I'm not going to go through the rest of that. Fry pan, nice and warm, around about medium-high heat. Put the burger straight on, no oil required. There's enough fat in this mince that it's going to create its own lubrication on the bottom. As you can see, it's already starting to shrink. The only ingredient that we need on top of that is some sea salt flakes. Just sprinkle a bit of that on top like that, and there's only one more ingredient for that, and this is the most important ingredient with any burger. Right, once we've got a bit of greyness happening around the outside, a bit of colour on the bottom, give them a flip. And of course, you always put cheese after you've done your flip. I'm using a really nice strong pre-sliced cheddar cheese that goes on top. I'm not using that plastic American type stuff. I'm using real good Aussie rich cheese, and that goes on. And I'm going to show you how to make the quickest Big Mac sauce ever, and it tastes absolutely perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit, let the cheese melt a little bit. That's only going to take about another 2-3 minutes, and we can serve that onto our burger. Now, as I said, this is called a Le Mac, and there's a good reason for that. Let's make up our sauce. Right, in a little jug, 1 egg yolk goes straight in. Very, very simple so far. We're making our own mayonnaise, and if you've got a stick mixer, it's going to make this job really, really easy. I'm going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of mustard pickles. You should be using a pickle relish. Didn't have that. The mustard pickles actually works out perfect because it is sweeter than what I thought it would be. Okay, so simple, that goes in. I'm going to use a bit of American mustard, around about, I'd say that'd be around about 1.5 tablespoons. That goes in like that. Now let's keep adding our ingredients. I've got about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of onion powder there, same again of garlic powder that goes in, and one last little ingredient, some paprika. I'm actually using a smoked paprika. You can use a normal one. It's all I had left, unfortunately. That goes straight in. Very simple so far, isn't it? We need to get something to make this mayonnaise up, and there's 2 more ingredients required for this. And this is all in real time. I have not edited this sauce recipe up at all. Around about 1 tablespoon's worth of apple cider vinegar that goes in, and our last ingredient is going to be some oil. I'm just going to use a vegetable oil, around about 1/3 of a cup, maybe 1/2 cup's worth, or about that much. That's it. That's all we need. Now, to get this to emulsify and turn into a nice rich mayonnaise type sauce, this is where the magic of the stick mixer comes in. Just break that egg up a little bit first. It's going to make things just a little bit quicker. Now, once I've got this switched on, which I don't believe I actually had this power switch turned on at the wall, watch how quick this turns into a beautiful Big Mac sauce. Look at that. So put your mixer down and slowly bring it up through that mixture, and do that once or twice, and before you know it, within about 90 seconds you have made the most perfect Big Mac sauce. It tastes exactly like the Big Mac sauce. Okay, very, very simple. So you can do this to make your own mayonnaise or aioli. If you want to make a garlic aioli, you can just put some garlic in that. Same basic ingredients, the oil, the vinegar, and the egg yolk. Look at that, look how thick that is. It's sticking to the side of that glass, and look, it's just leaving little beads straight off the end of the mixer. You're welcome. Alright, let's finish off making a Le Mac. And the reason why I'm calling it a Le Mac, I had some croissants left over from the night before. I'm just going to use these to make up our little French version of the Big Mac. It works amazingly well with a croissant. Put your burger sauce down, your Big Mac sauce down, give it a nice good layer. Don't be stingy like the people at McDonald's. Give it a real good bit of flavour for yourself. And we're following the exact recipe for the ingredients that McDonald's does as well. Right, so that goes down, our sauce. The next thing we're going to add is our burger patty with the cheese. Right, very simple so far. You don't need to butter these because of the amount of butter in the croissant. Chopped onion, finely chopped onion goes down. Chopped lettuce, that goes straight down. How easy is this? And there's only one more ingredient that we're really going to need to make this the perfect Big Mac style burger, or Le Mac. Okay, and that is all we have to do now is add in some pickles. These are my homemade pickles. I will leave a link in the description so you can make your own beautiful dill pickles at home. They are very, very simple to do, very few ingredients, and they taste like the real deal. Alright, love to see you try and make this one at home. It tastes amazing and it is pretty quick to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment below, what did you think of this recipe? Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to do some interesting fast food type recipes just like this, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I have to eat another one of these Le Mac with the Big Mac sauce, and I will catch you next time. Bye!